Can't get the perfect exposure on your Canon DSLR? Changing the metering mode can fix that in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between metering modes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, turn on your camera. Now make sure to set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. After that, press the Q button. Now use the arrow keys to select the metering mode icon. It looks like a rectangle split into different sections. Then press the Set button. Here you will see 4 options, like Evaluative Metering, which is good for general shooting, then Partial Metering, which is good for backlit subjects, then Spot Metering, which is for precise metering on a small area, and finally, Center Weighted Average Metering. It emphasizes the center. After selecting one of them, press the Set button again to confirm. And that's it. This is how you can switch between metering modes on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.